guys, I just received my bulk order. I actually was hoping that I would get it today. I was really wanting some dates today. I don't know why. I was upstairs doing something and I got a phone call and the delivery guy said that he's gonna be here in like 10 minutes, and I was so excited because I was craving dates so much. I don't like buying dates from the supermarket. I like the medjool dates. They're really expensive, especially the organic ones. Half price if you buy bulk. I ordered many other amazing things from this company, like nuts and seeds and grains. You will see when I unbox the boxes. They're not all mine. We have a group of people who order from the same company. It has to be minimum $500 to order from this company. So yeah, all my friends get together and we order it every few months. So yeah, let me open and show you what I ordered from this company. Exciting. I just went through all the stuff that I received and I sorted them for my friends. I won't show what my friends ordered, but I will show what I ordered. So here is everything that we ordered for our family from this organic company. So we've got a kilo of cashews, and we've got some walnuts, a kilo of walnuts. How many liters is this? This is a liter, so 2 liters of organic coconut oil, some brown rice miso, red brown rice miso. I love these ones. These are organic coconut cream, and it's supreme. Come on, focus. No. Okay, there we are. Organic coconut cream supreme. It has 30% of coconut in it, but the other ones that you get, if you check at the back, it's probably like 10% coconut, so it's not much. But these ones are 30% coconut, very coconutty. So I ordered 12 of them. I also ordered a kilo of almonds, 2.4 kilos of Celtic sea salt. It's the best salt that you can use for your food. It's better than Himalayan, by the way, Himalayan pink salt. Go and research. A kilo of medjool dates, organic medjool dates. This is all organic, by the way. This is organic prunes, organic brown rice, brown basmati rice. I've never tried brown basmati rice, so I'm excited to try this. And also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these 400-gram hazelnut kernels to make Nutella. Well, I'm gonna try to make Nutella out of this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, it is the 6th of May today and I woke up a bit late because hubby was sick last night and he was coughing and he woke me up a few times. So I will start my exercise straight away. I'm doing my Victoria's Secret exercise. I will link it down below, the previous video where I put all the clips together. I won't be doing it today because it was a lot of work last week. I will start exercising, I will take a shower and I'll be back with you in a moment. just took a shower and I'm ready to eat. Hubby is awake, so I'm going to prepare food for 2 people. So I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you what we're going to eat today. So I just finished eating with hubby and I did my hair and makeup. Now I'm gonna go to the shops, quickly grab whatever I need for the meal prep for this week, and I'll be back soon. Okay, finally at the shops now. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, I just came back from the shops. This is everything that I bought for the meal prep. I'll show you quickly. So what we've got here is some beetroot, dill, purple cabbage, some corn, sauerkraut, garlic, tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, chickpeas, and some cannellini beans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make borscht with it. I do not put any meat in it, so I'll make it vegetarian. And instead I put some cannellini beans or butter beans. It depends what I've got at home. So what I'm going to make today is borscht, as I've already told you. I'm going to make chia pudding because my husband loved eating chia pudding, because we eat barley porridge pretty much every morning. And it was a nice change last Monday to have chia pudding. So I will make some chia pudding this time as well for Monday. I will make unleavened bread, hummus, and some misted corn. And that should be enough for the whole week. I'm going to start my meal prep by misting some leftover beetroot from last time and some corn that I bought today. I also turned the oven on as well. I will be roasting some potatoes. These ones are organic potatoes. These two aren't organic, these are sweet potatoes, but these are organic potatoes. Very expensive. I paid $8 for 2 kilos. That's just ridiculous. I'm not gonna do it again. So these are beetroot leaves. I do not throw them out. I've seen so many people throw these out, but these are absolutely amazing. They have so much nutrition in them. So what I do is I wash them, I cut them, I fry them, and then I put them in a container and keep them in the fridge. And whenever I'm ready, I just take them out of the fridge, put a bit of oil in a pan, warm this up, and then put a couple of eggs in there. Amazing, delicious meal. Very cheap because you would have thrown this out otherwise. Crying from the onion. If you want to step up your game, you need this machine. This is one of the best machines in the world. See if you got Salad Master in your country, you can get this machine for free. I'm not getting any money for advertising their company, but I'm in love with this machine. I couldn't imagine my life now without this. So simple. I'll show you how this works. Alright guys, so everything is done. Kitchen is absolutely clean, and the time is almost 8 o'clock. I was able to finish a bit early today because, as I already mentioned before, hubby was sick today and he stayed home, so he was able to help me, which was awesome. I will show you everything that I prepared for this week. Here we've got refried beans, 2 cans of refried beans, and 2 cans of black beans. Chia pudding here, just a cup of chia pudding with some almond milk. I've got some steamed beetroot, some corn. This is the beetroot stems that I was talking about. I'll be making this probably tomorrow. This is the unleavened bread. This is the hummus that hubby made this time. And this is the borscht that I was talking about. Look at that. That looks so delicious. So I've got some other things, of course, in the fridge. I've got some fruit here. I've got some frozen fruit packs for my smoothies. I've got some nuts and seeds, mushrooms and some sauerkraut. I've got some tofu as well for the week, so if I need some cucumbers, some kiwis, avocados, and some other amazing stuff in the fridge that I'm going to be using. Also, look how many bags of green beans I've got. Like, look at that. The whole thing, this drawer is full of green beans. So that's gonna be very handy for the week. Alright, I'm going to put everything now in the fridge and I'm done. I can go and read a little bit today. I'll show you what my fridge looks like. So I've got lots of different types of nuts. I've got cherry tomatoes, a beautiful borscht. I've got mushrooms. I put all the stuff back there that I missed it and roasted. I've got the chia pudding, the sauerkraut that I bought, some dates, carrots, some organic brown basmati rice, and some other things that I'm going to be eating throughout the week. Alright guys, so another successful Sunday of meal prepping. This made so much easier last week when I did last Sunday, when I did my meal prep. The week was so easy. I would just open the fridge doors, grab whatever I felt like eating that day, and that's it, my meals were done. We didn't even go out last week. And my hubby, he's obsessed with pizza, and never once did he say he wanted to go and eat pizza because we had so much food. I never go and buy bread because try reading a bread label. I wouldn't even be able to pronounce everything on that stupid label. One day we kept buying this bread from the store and I kept gaining weight and I couldn't understand why I was gaining weight. And one day I turned the bread around to read the ingredients and I was just shocked. The amount of crap that they put in bread, I don't want that. That's why I make my own bread. Very healthy, kind of helps me with my craving of wanting bread all the time. I know so many people who completely cut carbs out. They don't want to eat any bread, and every time they smell a cookie or cake, they melt, they die. By making unleavened bread just makes it so much easier because I don't have to crave any grains. I just eat a little bit of the bread and I'm good to go. I hope this video was helpful. I will make another video next weekend as promised, and I might do a Q&A. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will sit down and answer all your questions. Until then, stay happy and do some meal prep. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.